Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Pitbull's Garage. Today we're gonna go ahead and working on an old cutlass, 74 cutlass. Go ahead and throw some plugs in it. Thermostat, which is right here. New fuel filter in the car. I'll just do a little maintenance. As you can see, everything I pointed to is pretty much open, so I figure I'd just go ahead and just show me doing it. Get some more cutlass content out there. See, everything, like I said, is pretty straightforward. There go the spark plugs right there, so ain't like a new car. You try to hide shit. Back then, they wanted you to work on your car, you know. So that's why I still like these old cars. So let's go ahead and get into it. Go ahead, change the little fuel filter out real quick. As you see, I already broke the line loose. Don't pay attention to this. It's old homemade gas line on there. Screw this part. Screw this piece off the carb. And I already pulled the filter out, but as you pull that out, there'd be a little filter in there. So pretty sure most of you know, but if you don't, say if you're a younger guy, you just got one of these cars, yeah, it's a little fuel filter in here. So just gonna go ahead and see, just a little bitty filter. Sometimes you might have little problems. Like this could be your problem. So you're gonna go ahead and assemble it back, slide it in that little piece right there, and then just screw it back in. It's pretty simple. Go ahead and put the fuel line back on the end. I just take it off because you have to. When you unscrew this, then this will bind all up. You don't want to do that, so just take it apart. This housing just comes right off. Like I said, pretty straightforward. This is the operator hose, so of course you have to take that out. Catch the extra coolant that comes out. All right, see, I got the thermostat housing off. Now you're just going to clean it up, you know, clean off the housing. Make sure you see all this corrosion and stuff. Just hit it with a light, some light grit sandpaper. Make sure you don't get dirt in there. But other than that, just clean it up. Put the gasket back. Thermostat. Like I said, easy job. Ping pow. It goes cleaned off. So thermostat gasket. And before you put this on, like, put a little sealer around there. So you're just gonna put that on. Down just a little dab on top. Then the housing goes back over. Alright, on to the spark plugs. You know, of course I got my handy dandy cutlass book. I know people don't use this no more. All they do is rely on going to Facebook or Google and ask a billion questions. Sometimes it's nice just to have this. You ain't gotta ask nobody. Most of the information you need is gonna be in here, like spark plug gap. I ain't gotta go in there and wait for somebody to reply. Whoa, what's the gap? Whoa. It's gonna go here. It's a 74. O's 350. And they got two different ones, but they both gonna be at 40 on the plug. So, bam. Got a 455. It looks like it's gonna be 80. So, it's got them. Well, you can see this one does different years. So we got 74, 75, 76. Like I said, look, I know the parts stores used to have them. I think probably you can use that for Google and get one. So this book comes in handy. If you got an old car, you should look to get one. Said what the book said, gap them at 40. Pretty simple. I just do one at a time, pull it out. Put a little anti-seize on the threads and just put them in. That's it. Pretty straightforward, you see. Nothing's in the way, so ping pow pow. Now let's go ahead and do that old cap and rotor back there. So ain't really no wrong way to do it. A lot of people just pull all the wires off and play putting them all back. Like I said, I have the book, so I can do that. But I just put it next to it and just pull one at a time and line it back up that way. So any way you want to do it, but like I said, I'm just vlogging it, showing him giving the cutlass a little more maintenance today. Alright, got her fired up. Let her run for a little bit. Feel like she's got a little moisture in her. Let's see, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm just gonna make sure it gets up to operation temperature. Go ahead and move this truck out the way and go take it for a test drive and see how she does. But other than that, like I said, just thought I'd belong a quick basic maintenance. She needed it, so probably gonna have to run through the carburetor still because the top gasket on it is a little torn. You know, it's got an old quadro trash junk. What you call it? Quadro junk. So need to just go ahead and throw the poly or Edelbrock on there. So like I said, this is gonna do it. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, put in the comments what else you'd like to see. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little maintenance here and there. It ain't too many. These body style 73 to 77 cutlasses on YouTube, so give us some content to look at. See you next time. Peace.